So this is the much I have earned on Upwork so far. Upwork alone so far, $23K dollars. $23K dollars. Let me show you my profile so you don't say that I'm showing you someone else's profile work earnings. This is me, Judith Akoi from Kenya, Nairobi. This is my photo. You can see this is me. Okay, so freelancing can turn from a side hustle into main hustle, because I do it this is my full-time job. I have been doing it since 2015, and I cannot exchange it for anything else in the world, guys. The freedom and the earnings is just exactly what I want. If you want to learn how to make money online through freelance writing or any other way, please subscribe to Just Sophia on YouTube. Okay, that's it. Bye.